viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Momi. Today I'm gonna review Sugar Ace of Face foundation stick and also provide a shade finder so that you can choose your shade online. This is a requested video by Taruna people, Shabana, Raja and so many of you. And at the end of the video I will share some tips and tricks about this product so that you can use this product well on different types of skin. So keep watching the video till the end to know how it works for different type of skin. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and surely share it with your friends to show your love. Firstly, I'm gonna talk about price and packaging of the product. So here is the foundation stick that comes in this kind of cardboard packaging, and shade name, number, expiry date, ingredient list, price all are mentioned in the cardboard box. It costs rupees 999 for 12 gram of product, which is huge. It comes with a shelf life of 3 years. Before going to the next point, I want to share the most important thing, that this video is not a sponsored video. So here I'm going to provide honest review of this product. So I will recommend you to see the whole video before you decide is it really worthy enough to spend 999 rupees. Coming to its texture, coverage, staying power and skin type that suits best with it. Here I have already prepared my skin with cleanser and moisturizer. Now I'm using my DIY toner. If you want to know how I have prepared this DIY toner for sensitive skin, then click on the I button above. Today I will use the shade Vienna 27. This is darker than my skin tone. As you can see, my neck is lighter than my face. Sugar website recommend me this shade, which is a wrong one for me. So don't buy the shades recommended by the Sugar website. Wait for the shade guide part of my video. As you can see, this has a creamy formula. So this one is best for dry and combination skin. Not a great purchase for oily skin. And it blends effortlessly on skin. I will always recommend you to use a beauty blender to blend this foundation. Staying power of this foundation is really well. If you prep and set your makeup in right way, it will stay up to 6 to 7 hours. It is a very thick foundation, doesn't look natural on skin, looks like you are wearing a heavy makeup. So use it in a very tiny amount and blend. This foundation can cover any kind of blemishes or dark spots. You don't need to add more concealer to hide the imperfections. This shade is quite similar to the shade Soft Honey from LA Girl Pro HD Illuminating Foundation. The buffing brush attached with this Sugar Ace of Face stick foundation can't blend the foundation well. Even you can't use it as a powder brush too. The most important part of a foundation is, does it oxidizes? So Sugar Ace of Face foundation doesn't oxidizes on any skin type if you use proper technique and set it with a good translucent powder. You will get the video about best translucent powders on the I button above. The next point is, can we wear it under mask? Then my answer is no, it comes off with the mask. And this is how it looks like after blending and I have finished my all over makeup. You can see this doesn't give any photo flashback. It provides a flawless skin. If you wanna see the makeup look, then you can comment down below. Now coming to its shades and undertones. Before going to the shades, please check your undertones. If you have green veins, then you have yellow or warm undertone. If you have slightly olive vein, then you have olive undertone. If you have blue or purple and also green veins, then you have neutral undertone. And if you have only blue veins or both purple and blue veins, then you have pink or cool undertone. Now going to its shades, the first skin tone I'm talking about, this is fair skin tone. If you have fair skin with yellow or warm undertone, then you can use vanilla latte. If you have fair to light skin with pink or cool undertone, then you can use the shade Cappuccino. In this Sugar Ace of Face foundation stick, you will not get any shade for very fair or white skin tone. Now coming to the light skin tone range, light skin with yellow or warm undertone can use the shade Latte. Light skin with yellow dominant neutral undertone can use the shade RAF. Now coming to the light to medium skin tone range, light to medium skin with yellow or warm undertone can use the shade Gallo. If you have light to medium skin with olive undertone, you can use the shade Mosquito. The next shade is Vienna, what I was using on the video. This has a strong yellow or warm undertone. Now coming to the medium skin tone range, if you have medium skin with yellow or warm undertone, then you can use Chocochino. If you have medium skin with strong yellow dominant neutral undertone, then you can use the shade Cortado. If you have medium skin tone with true neutral undertone, then you can use the shade Frip. And if you have medium skin with peachy neutral undertone, then you can use the shade Fredo. The next shade range is medium dark. Medium dark with pink or cool undertone can use the shade Brave. Medium dark skin with strong yellow or warm undertone can use the shade Glaze. And you can also use the shade Borgia. Borgia is darker than the shade Glaze. Medium dark skin with neutral undertone can use the shade Con Panna. Now coming to the dark skin tone range, dark skin with yellow or warm undertone can use the shade Mocha. Dark skin with strong yellow undertone can use the shade Coreto. And dark skin tone with neutral undertone can use the shade Irish. Now coming to the deep skin tone range, deep skin tone with yellow or warm undertone can use the shade Americano and Lango. Here Lango is deeper than Americano and Americano has strong yellow undertone. The next shade is Romano. If you have deep skin with olive undertone, then you can use the shade Romano. If you have deep skin with pink or cool undertone, you can use the shade Espresso. This is the deepest shade in the Sugar Ace of Face foundation range. So this was the all 22 shades of Sugar Ace of Face stick foundation. Now I'm quickly showing you the pros and cons of this foundation. Firstly, it provides full coverage and blends well, and it can cover almost everything, any kind of blemishes or dark spots. It is long lasting if you don't wear a mask. तो शुगर एस ऑफ फेस स्टिक फाउंडेशन में जो बातें मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगे वो है इसका जो कवरेज है वो एकदम फुल कवरेज है। ये कोई भी पिगमेंटेशन डार्क स्पॉट्स को हाइड कर सकता है, बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड होता है और बहुत ज़्यादा लॉन्ग लास्टिंग रहता है अगर आप मास्क नहीं पहन रहे हो तो। So many things that I don't like about this foundation. It takes 20 minutes to set on skin. This is a heavy makeup. Not good for oily skin. You can't wear it under mask. According to the quality and staying power, the price must be lower than rupees 999. I think so. The brush attached with it doesn't work well. The foundation is really tough to remove because you need a oil cleanser first, then you have to remove it with the water cleanser. After that it will be removed totally from your skin. जो बातें मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा वो है ये सेट होने में 20 मिनट्स लेता है, बहुत ज़्यादा हेवी मेकअप है। ऑयली स्किन के लिए ये फाउंडेशन बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं है। आप इसको मास्क के नीचे नहीं यूज़ कर सकते क्योंकि ये मास्क के साथ आपके मुंह पर से निकल जाता है और मास्क के ऊपर ही आ जाता है। और इसका जो क्वालिटी और स्टेइंग पावर है इसके हिसाब से मुझे इसका जो प्राइस है ये बहुत ज़्यादा लगा। और इसके साथ जो ब्रश अटैच्ड है वो कोई भी काम नहीं करता है, ज़्यादा अच्छे से ब्लेंड नहीं कर पाता और इसको रिमूव करना बहुत ही टफ़ है क्योंकि इसको रिमूव करने के लिए आपको पहले एक ऑयल क्लेंज़र लेना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद आपको एक वाटर क्लेंज़र लेना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद शायद ये पूरा का पूरा निकल जाए आपकी स्किन के ऊपर से। तो अगर आप हेवी फाउंडेशन पसंद करते हो तो आप इसे यूज़ कर सकते हो, बट मुझे लाइट फाउंडेशंस अच्छे लगते हैं, मुझे ज़्यादा हेवी मेकअप पसंद नहीं है, इसलिए मुझे ये फाउंडेशन अच्छा नहीं लगा। सो आई विल नॉट रिकमेंड दिस फाउंडेशन टू एनीवन एंड आई विल ऑल्सो नॉट परचेज इट अगेन। एंड अगर आपको ये फाउंडेशन ख़रीदना है तो आपको इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में इसके सारे के सारे शेड डिटेल्स और उनकी जो परचेजिंग लिंक है वो मिल जाएंगे. So this was the review and all shade guide video for Sugar Ace of Face Stick Foundation, and if this was helpful for you, please share it with your friend and family so that they don't waste their money. तो अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे और हेल्पफुल भी लगे तो आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ये ज़रूर बताएं. मुझे आपका कमेंट पढ़ना और उसका रिप्लाई करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. और अगर आपको किसी दूसरे प्रोडक्ट या फिर कोई भी ब्यूटी टूल्स के बारे में जानना है तो मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताएं. मिलते हैं मेरे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द होल वीडियो. गुड बाय.